In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a code snippet in Confluence pages. If you document code, troubleshoot with teammates, or share examples for onboarding, adding a properly formatted code block makes everything clearer and easier to read. Let's walk through it from start to finish. First, open your Confluence site and head to the space that holds the page you want to update. Select the page where the code should live so we can make the change in context. Once you're on that page, enter edit mode. You'll see the page content switch to the editor, which lets you add and format blocks just like any other text. Place your cursor exactly where you want the code to appear. Now type a /. This is the quick command that opens Confluence's insert menu. Start typing the phrase code snippet to filter the options and then choose code snippet from the list. Confluence will insert a dedicated code block ready for you to configure. Next, pick the correct language for your code using the language dropdown in the block. This step is important because it enables syntax highlighting, which makes keywords, strings, and comments stand out and keeps your example easy to scan. You'll find a wide set of options including ABAP, ActionScript, Ada, AppleScript, Arduino, AutoIt, C++, HTML, Java, and many more. If the list is long, just type the language name to jump to it quickly. Selecting the closest match to your code helps avoid misleading colors or formatting. With the language set, click inside the block and type or paste your code. Keep your usual indentation and spacing so the example remains faithful to how it would appear in your editor. If your code runs long, consider breaking it into smaller blocks or adding brief inline comments in the snippet to highlight the parts your readers should focus on. Clear, minimal examples are easier to maintain and understand. If you need multiple examples, maybe one in HTML and one in Java, simply repeat the same process wherever each snippet belongs on the page. Using separate blocks for different languages keeps your documentation tidy and reduces confusion. That's it. You open the page, entered edit mode, used the / menu to insert a code snippet, selected the right language, and placed your code. With these steps, your Confluence pages will present code in a way that's consistent, readable, and useful for everyone who visits.